Earlier, a man identified as Martin Ingti, resident of Tengkiralangso, Tumprop, took 13 underage youths from Karbi Anglong without the consent from their parents, who were desperate for jobs to earn for their living. In this competitive world, everyone tries their best to put a food at their table. This compelled people to engage in good as well as in bad activities. Likewise, recently a news of 9 missing youths recovery had surfaced in the light, where as many as 13 youths from Thongja Derok Arlok and Ronghidi under the jurisdiction of Keroni and Baitalangso Police Station, West Karbi Anglong, were taken away by Martin Inghi in the name of work.
Tinia guardian tamta mane lason pusiki dam puke mane pusiki dunji polam ajak tumbang cucini do sita ke semantam cuni dunde. Sita ni tam belta ke longa bangke hala bor eming ti pa bangse lang tam hancak lo laso samara pha.
Thega nong le pana usu tang ni than the amasi ki pon ta arju dunde hase chok le roksi alang li phuna kuri lo mani li ba ni ning the hak lo nang la ana khai lo pisi do nei ma pusi ning thi hak lo masi hadak pana ko ni ning chereng no thesi ni likachini moni sonja rong piban phun.
It was reported that the parents and guardians of the missing children alleged Martin Ingti had traded their children with money. This report came to light when the parents and guardians of those missing children expressed their grief in tears in presence of J.I.Kathar, president of APHLC, during a mass joining program of APHLC event, and as per the letter submitted by J.I.Kathar about the missing children at Aizawl, Mizoram, a team was sent to rescue the missing children on 2nd September from Hamran town by the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong.
J.I.Kathar si mane J.I.Kathar sa si petition si letter nang thon la puson sin tum kachini ni tum la office staff bang phodo plus la security tum bang capture ke bag doi.
Daniel Inghi's report from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live.